So, Aldi Kamado barbecue. We're going to do barbecue pizzas, wood fired as you like. So this is my setup inside. I've gone for the hedgehogs, as you can see there, the wood chips there ready to start it. Piled it up quite deep with lots of large bits of coal, and then I'll be lighting this, and we'll see how we go. So just lit the wax pigs, and as you can see, they've caught okay down there, firing away. So I'll leave that with the lid off for a few seconds just to catch, and then shut it down, open all the vents and get lots of air in it to get it caught. The idea for this is to get it really hot for the pizzas, and we'll look at the temperature and that later once we get it fired up. Sourdough is ready, proving away nicely. I always tend to put my pizza bases on some greaseproof paper when they're ready, and then actually put the whole greaseproof paper inside the Kamado, and that way the pizzas don't stick to the base, the pizza plate. I'll show you shortly. So now I'll shut the lid, open up all the vents on the top there, as you can see, fully open. Get as much air in there as you can. Get the drawer in down the bottom there, open the vent fully, and we'll get this temperature right up. So for pizzas, we want to be up to sort of 600 degrees Fahrenheit mark, just there, or the sort of 275 at least up there. But we'll put the pizza stone in and everything else a bit later when it starts firing up properly. So you can see that's definitely taken now and caught. Temperature's going up there. You can see the smoke coming out the top there now. So all I'm going to do now is just shut the top slightly and then keep the vents open there, just to force the drawer through the bottom there so the air can go up, and that should catch nicely. Looking inside now, just give an idea how that's catching. You can see there, and in a minute I'll just move all that coal, lumpwood cut coal, over the flames, and that should take nicely. So you can now see it's starting to really catch in there now. Temperature's starting to go right up. So what I'll just do now is just move all those coals, lumpwood around, just to let it do all round. Temperature in there. Once that temperature gets up a bit, you can then start to add your deflector plate, put that in. That obviously deflects the main flames from coming up to the top, because what you don't want to do is burn the top of your pizzas. So that's what that deflector plate does. So make sure you've got that in. So these are the pizzas ready. We find it best to leave greaseproof paper on the bottom, because then the underside of the pizzas don't stick to the stone plate as much and it's easier to get off. I also use this pizza item here to scoop it up on. It makes it a lot easier and you don't burn your hands when you're putting it inside the barbecue. So you see the temperature now. Temperature's just about right for the pizzas to go in. See the stone on the top, just slide it straight on the top there, as so, like that, and then shut the oven again to keep that heat in. So let's have a quick check now. Another 1 minute I'd say, and they'll be ready. So that's been 6 minutes, and that's now ready. Here's a goat's cheese one now, as you can see, come out nice and crispy. Good crispy base. Perfect. Next one, we've got goat's cheese with caramelized onion.